If you're doing your own books or managing a team that does, missing even small errors can quietly cost you thousands. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to catch errors in your books before they snowball into expensive problems. And I'll walk you through the fastest way to do it using software I've tested across dozens of clients. Stick around till the end, because I'll share the one mindset shift that instantly improves how you spot mistakes. And there's also a free trial in the description that's exclusive to this channel if you want to follow along. Alright, first you need to stop relying on your memory or manual review alone. Your brain is great, but it's not designed to scan hundreds of transactions or spot inconsistencies in formatting, dates, or amounts. The software we're using does that in seconds. It flags duplicate entries, uncategorized expenses, missing invoices, and unmatched bank transactions automatically. Start with your bank reconciliation. This is the fastest way to catch high-impact errors. Run a reconciliation for each account: checking, savings, credit cards. If your balances don't match the statement exactly, the software will show you what's missing or misclassified. That alone can uncover errors that would have taken hours to find manually. Next, review your profit and loss report. Run it month by month and compare the trends. Does your software show a sudden spike in expenses that seems off? That's a signal. Drill into that category. You'll often find duplicates, incorrect vendor assignments, or expenses categorized in the wrong place. Even if the totals seem fine, the breakdown could still hide issues. Then, check your balance sheet. Focus especially on accounts receivable and accounts payable. If there are old items sitting there, say invoices that are over 90 days past due, or bills marked unpaid when you know they were, you've got a problem. The software makes these easy to spot by age and status. Also, scan your general ledger report. This is like a diary of every transaction. Most people skip this, but it's where tiny errors live. Like a phone bill accidentally tagged under meals and entertainment. The search and filter features in our software make it simple to sort by category, amount, or date range to find these weird outliers fast. If you've got recurring expenses, set up rules in the software. This prevents errors from happening in the first place. Anytime something new comes in that doesn't match your pattern, you'll get notified. And that's where you investigate. And here's the real secret. Don't just check your books at tax time or month end. Do a micro review weekly. It's faster, less overwhelming, and catches errors early. With the right tool, you can run all these reports in under 10 minutes. The key takeaway here is that catching errors in your books before they cost you isn't about being a perfectionist. It's about setting up the right systems and knowing what to look for. You don't need to be a pro accountant. You just need the right checklist and a tool that does the heavy lifting. So quick recap, start with bank reconciliation, check your P&L for trend spikes, review your balance sheet for aged items, dig into the general ledger for oddities, and set up rules for recurring items. Then build the habit of a quick weekly review. If you want to follow along or use the exact tool I used today, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it'll give you everything you need to implement what I just showed you. That's it for today. Tight, simple, and actionable. Catch errors early. Avoid financial surprises later.